To give some context to the next few lessons, we are going to look at what Udemy looks like in practice. So this is the live udemy.com website. And here is the instructor panel. This is one of my courses that I published on Udemy a few years ago. And in the instructor panel under course management, we have different sections for updating different kinds of information about a course. So this is the page where instructors update the basic information about a course. So things like the course title, the subtitle, and the description of the course, the language, the levels, and categories. At the bottom, we also have a place to upload a cover image for the course. And we have promotional videos that you can upload to a course. And all of that is put under what is called the basic information for the course. Another section is the curriculum section. So this is where instructors actually create the lessons, the sections, and everything related to the course. And they upload their videos or put in the text content. So everything related to managing the curriculum of the course is done on this page. And then we have another section called the intended learners, which is the area where instructors can specify what students will learn by taking this course, who are the intended, or what are the prerequisites that students should have before taking the course, and who are the intended students. So in the next few lessons, we'll be implementing the API for handling pages like this. For instance, updating the landing page information, which is the basic information, creating and managing the curriculum, as well as identifying the intended users. Later on, we'll be looking at pricing and promotion information, but let's start with updating the basic information for the course, and we'll start doing that from the next lesson.